The Dixie Fire in Northern California is threatening more than 14,000 structures. CAL FIRE says it's burned more than 500,000 acres so far. It's already destroyed more than 1,000 buildings. The agency says it is just 31% contained. It's been burning now for about a month.
Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And Kate, while the Pacific Northwest deals with red flag warnings and air quality alerts, here in North Alabama, we're seeing some dangerous thunderstorms and the threat of some tropical downpours ahead.
Yeah, lots of Gulf moisture in place. Collapsing thunderstorms farther to the northwest up into Tennessee have sent some new thunderstorms developing over North Alabama. So as far as we're concerned, if you're not getting rain right now, you can likely see thunderstorms off in the distance, or you are hearing some thunder, seeing some lightning, because these thunderstorms are pretty widespread right now. So let's get you a view here of all of this in motion on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. And you will see new storms developing here over Lawrence County, parts of Limestone County as well. I'll get you a closer view, though, of where we've got the heaviest rain, the most abundant lightning. It is all along 43 from Muscle Shoals up into Florence over to 72 here, and then back up 43 up into northern Lauderdale County. So a lot of heavy rain leads us to that concern for perhaps some flooding. We'll be monitoring that for you as well. Now take a look farther toward the east here through Limestone County. Strong thunderstorm here in the northeast part of the county. Could see winds gusting 40-50 miles per hour with this. There's lightning and a lot of it with any of these thunderstorms today. Even farther toward the east, I wanted to get you a view around Huntsville. Remember, we got whistle stop tonight. So for the town itself, city of Huntsville is looking pretty good, but we've had thunderstorms all around. That's what we've got right now along 565, couple lightning strikes showing up closer to the airport. And the wider view shows that we've got some steady rain here now into West Tennessee, but all of this is trying to push farther toward the southeast. All of these thunderstorms that we've got, for the most part, will fade a little bit once we get past sunset. Give it a few hours, though. This is what it looks like across the Wave 31 Skycam network. 90 right now in Decatur, 85 in Huntsville. Look at the rain off in the distance there. Those showers developing, still pouring in Muscle Shoals at 75 degrees. Got some rain off in the distance in Gunnersville, but we're still at 87. So for whistle stop this evening, 30, 40, 50% chance for showers and storms, really just dependent on what time you're looking at here. We do see the temperatures drop by 7 o'clock. We're at 81 degrees. Future radar shows us this. This data source, I said this earlier, it is not doing a great job of showing all of the activity that we've got right now. But what it does show is that as we go throughout the rest of this evening to 10 o'clock, as these thunderstorms continue to move through, they'll start to wane once we start to lose some daytime heating. And finally, by the time we get to midnight, 1 o'clock, most of this is out of here. We're holding on to a lot of cloud cover, and it stays very humid overnight. I would expect maybe a little bit of fog developing if we can get a little bit of clearing. But by 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, our temperature is already close to the 80-degree mark. It stays muggy for Saturday. And again, this data source is not showing much activity at all for tomorrow. But given the current setup where we've got all of this moisture still being pumped in from the Gulf and that cold front trying to move through, I still think we're going to have pretty widespread storms for tomorrow. And the same can be said for Sunday. But again, that data source not doing a great job of showing us that. We'll have continued rain chances in our forecast. Because of this, we have Tropical Depression Fred that I'm watching for you. Still over land. It's over Cuba right now, tracking west at 12 miles per hour. Maximum sustained wind only at 35 miles per hour. It's been stuck there for about the past 24 hours and a little bit over that. But watch what happens as we go throughout the rest of this weekend into the beginning of next week. We'll stop this here 9 o'clock Sunday morning. Strengthened to a tropical storm again. Fred continues to stay in the eastern Gulf just off the coast of Florida, likely making landfall per the National Hurricane Center forecast in the Panhandle either late Monday night or early Tuesday morning. Your timestamp here is 8:30 Tuesday morning. Look at all the rain moving into North Alabama and that center of low pressure. If it does track over our area, it doesn't bring us any big impact specifically because that low is tracking overhead, but we've got all that moisture in place. We'll still have those rain chances with us here for the next several days. 60% chance for storms on Monday. On Tuesday, it goes up to a 70% chance. And finally, look at the temperatures. They're going back down. 85 on Monday, 85 on Tuesday. Still that chance for showers and storms as the trash pandas are back at home next week as well. You can always listen for your forecast, 94.1 WHRP.